Hello YouTubers, I'm GamePun124 and I'm going to do a Lego tutorial. You see this Lego tutorial? I'm going to be showing you how to build the trampoline from Super Mario World. See, it looks very cool. Only got that. You turn it around. You want people to have color on this side. This is the way I have to do it to make it work. But that, if you have it facing this way, it'll be good. So I'm going to get stuff ready and then we'll begin. Okay, this is what you're going to need for the build. Some light green, dark green, some orange, 1x1s, some red 1x1s, black, and white. So let's get that. Gonna set the camera down and we're going to get started here. Give me a quick second. And we're going to start by taking 4 2x4 black, and we're going to place them on a base plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2x4s like that. Now we're going to take 2 1x2s and we're going to place them on there like that. Now we're going to take the colors in this order. Light green, dark green, not 1x2 by the way. 1x2, 1x2 light, 1x2 dark, 2x2 white, light green, and 1x2 white, and 1x2 light green, 2x2 white, 1x2 light green, 1x2 white, 2x2 dark green, light green, 1x2 dark green, and a 1x2 light green. Then we're going to take 2 more black 1x2s and we're going to place them there. Then we're going to take 2x2 dark green, place it there. 1 2x4 light green, place it there. If you don't have any 2x4 light green, you can use 2x2 light greens. One thing to make it 2x4. Then we're gonna take one 2x2 white, another 2x4 light green, and a 2x2 dark green, like so. Then we're going to take 1x6 black, place it there, another 1x6 black, place it there, and a 2x4 black, place it there. Now I'm going to take this off. I'm going to set it to the side. You guys can do, and we're going to build the top one, which I'm going to be using 2x8s. If you don't have those, you can do the same we did there. This just makes it stronger. It makes it more stable and stuff. That's why I use them. If you don't have them, you can use the 4 4x4s, and I can place them out like 2x8 there. Then I'm going to take a 1x2 black, another 1x2 black. Now this is going to be built like this one's built like this. We're just going to flip the 2 column patterns around. So we're going to take our 2x2 green, 2x4 light green, 2x2 white. This time I was on 2x4 light green, so I used a 3x2, a 2x3, and a 1x2 to do it like that. And then we're going to take our 2x2 light green, dark green. Then we're going to take 2 more 1x2 blacks, place them there. Then we're going to take our 1x2 light green, 1x1 dark green, 2x4 light green, 1x2 white, 1x2 light green, 2x2 white, 1x2 light green, 1x2 white, 2x2 light green, 1x2 dark green, and a 1x2 light green. And we're going to do the same thing up top. We're going to go with our 2x6, 2x6, 2x4 like that. And that's how those I built. I'm going to take this off. And we're going to grab our first one we built. This one. There's a difference between the two. So we want this one. We're going to place it on that thing like so, on my base plate. And we're going to count in 4 studs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 5th one, place a 1x2 black. And then a 2x2 white, 2x2 black, 2x2 white, 1x2 black. Then we're going to take a 2x2 white, place it there, another 2x2 white, place it there, and 2 1x2 blacks. And place him there, like so. Next, we're gonna take a 2x2 white and a 1x2 black, and we're gonna put them together like that, and then we're gonna place them there. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. 1x2 white, 2x2 white, 1x2 black. Put them together like that. Place it there. And take on 1x2 blacks and place them there, like so. And now, here comes the tricky part. Which we're gonna need a 2x2 black. Then we're gonna need these 90-degree ones, which is 1x2x1, 2x1. They look like that. We're gonna place it here. Then we're gonna take a 1x2 black, place it there, like that. Place that there so you can see it. Next, we're gonna take 2 1x2 orange. 1x1 oranges like that. Stack them up. Place them there. Hold on. We're gonna need it. Before we do that, we're gonna take a 1x3 black. Place it there. Now take your then take a 1x4 black. Place it there. So it looks like that. And then we're gonna take a stack of 2 1x2 orange, 1x1 orange. Then we're gonna do the same with red, like that. Stack them up. And on top, a 2x2 black. like that, and place it there, and grab two 1x2s, 2x2 blacks, stack them together, place it there without breaking it, like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side, but it's going to be mirrored. So we're going to take our black, 2x2 black, this again, I place it there again, that way you can see it. Then our 1x2 black, like that, 1x3 black, like that, 1x4 black, like that. So it looks like that. And then we're going to take our 1x1 orange, stack them up, place them there, and 1x1 reds, stack them up, place them there, and our 1x2, a 2x2 black, place it there, and take it off, stick it there like that, and grab 1x2 blacks, stack them up like that. Oop. If you have it pops off like that, just take it off and squeeze it on and put it back on. Next we're going to take 2x2 whites, place it there, and there. Next we're going to take another 1x2 white, a 2x2 white, and a 1x2 black. Put them together, place them like that. Take another 1x2 black, and there. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Place it there. Place it there. And you guys, you get it by now. We're going to do it one more time. Like that. I'm going to sit up a little bit and use my hands there. I'm going to make anything. Like that. And then I do 1x2 blacks. Like so. Then it's like that. Then we're going to take this and we're going to place it on top so it's even. Oopsies. Yeah, you can have. Oh, come on. There we go. Then we're going to take 2x2 black, and in this gap here, right there, we're going to carefully place it in, and there you go. There is your Lego Super Mario World trampoline. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any suggestions for future Lego tutorials you want me to do, please feel free to leave some in the comments below. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!